So let us understand the global infrastructure from the official website as well. So you can see that I am on aws.amazon.com and we'll be going to the about AWS and then the global infrastructure. So you can see over here, right, that there are 31 launch regions and this keeps on expanding. Okay. We have 99 availability zones. We have 450 point of present location. It means that we are having the edge locations. Okay, these are edge locations. So this is the map, guys. You can see it over here, right? The one in red are coming soon regions and the one in green are the launch regions. So you can check it from here that how many availability zones are there into that particular region. Right. So we do have 32 local zones as well over here. We have 245 countries and territories being served by AWS. So this is the page you should be frequently visiting for more understanding of AWS. Okay. Now I'll be taking you to the AWS portal as well. Okay, so we are onto our AWS portal. Okay, you just have to go to aws.amazon.com and then you can come here on the portal. So you can see over here North Virginia, right? So that's the region that we have. Now, if you just expand this list, you will see that we are having multiple regions over here. Accordingly, you can select any regions. If you want to enable these regions, you can as well, and by going to manage regions, and you can enable these as well. Okay, so right now I will be using the North Virginia region itself. So this is about the regions, guys. Now what about availability zones? So availability zones, once you will be understanding the concept of VPC in module 3, you will be understanding it better. But let's just go to VPC over here. I'll just show you very quickly. Okay, if you're not understanding anything, don't worry. We are going to discuss this in depth in the module number 3. So we have subnets over here. So if you just click on the subnets, right? So these subnets are there under availability zone. Can you see this? US East 1E. So as I told you, that region would be denoted with the naming convention as US East 1. And then if you add a suffix to it, then it becomes the availability zone. Okay. So this is about availability zone. Now how to get the local zones? So if you go to EC2 instance over here, EC2 panel, okay. Now if I have marked these services as favorite, I can see it on the script above. Right. So how we can get it from here? I will just search it from here also. If any service I want to find, I can just search from this global search bar as well. Okay, so you can see EC2 as well. So I go to EC2 dashboard as we are here. Okay, let it load. Under EC2, if you come to the right hand side over this account attributes, you will find zones. If you go to these zones, okay, you would be seeing the local zones. So what you have to do for local zone, these are the local zones for which region? These are for North Virginia, because right now we are into North Virginia region. For Ohio, there would be different sets of local zones. So you have to enable these local zones. You can see that 2 of the local zones are being enabled over here, the Boston and Atlanta. Now how to enable these? So you can simply go to manage over here and you have to click on enable and update zone group. So once you enable this, this will get activated and there are no charges for enabling the local zone. Okay, but if you run any resource under this local zone, then there would be charges. Right? So this was about the practicality. We'll be understanding more as we go on in our modules. So this is all for this video and for this particular module. Into next module, we would be understanding about account security. Thank you.